Well, hello and good morning to episode 25 of Diver Dave's Social Distancing Omelette Series. Today we're going to make another interesting omelet with leftovers from my refrigerator. We're going to use black olives, feta cheese, baby portobello mushroom sliced, and the secret ingredient today is lamb. Last night I made a lovely piece of lamb for dinner. These are the leftovers. So what I'm going to do is thinly slice the lamb, coat a pan with olive oil, brown the portobello mushrooms, and at the very end, put the sliced lamb in to really heat it up again and bring out some of the juice. I'll put the olives in at the same time. Then I will build the pancake for the omelet. But today we're going to be using egg whites instead of a full egg. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it a souffle or not, but let's wait and see what happens. Let's get cooking. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is slice the lamb very thinly. It was a little overcooked. Not so overcooked. It's on, definitely on the more well side. But you can see some pink left in there. It's just coming out of the refrigerator. So, of course, it's going to be all a little bit more congealed. Slice it like this. I'm trying to slice it as paper thin as possible, which will make it much easier to eat in the omelet. Won't be struggling to need a knife to cut it apart. Practicing safe knife skills. Getting to the end. And that's about it. Last piece for the chef. Okay, so there's the lamb sliced. Now we're going to start heating the frying pan with some olive oil. Okay, now I'm going to put the frying pan on a medium heat. Let it warm up a little bit. I'm using Calavita extra virgin olive oil today. It shouldn't take that long for this to get up to temperature. So I'll pour maybe 2 tablespoons in and wait for that to start to glisten and get a sheen and get to temperature. Okay, the oil's up to temperature. So I'm going to slowly add just the black olives and the portobello mushrooms because portobello is going to need more time. And we'll add the, come on, flip over. We're going to add the lamb a little bit later. I'm going to try to treat it sort of like a wok. Move it a little off to the side, just to get it to go. Okay, so the mushrooms and the olives have been cooking. Now I'm going to add the lamb. And this is, like I said, really not to cook the lamb, just to reheat the lamb. Bring it back up to temperature. So I'm trying to get the mushrooms off to the side so that, because they've cooked a little bit enough. Unfortunately, I had a phone call in the middle of all this. Hi, Marco Dam! So, kind of interrupted the video cooking schedule. The pan does not stop, but the phone calls and other business must continue. Just trying to get the life back into the meat, like I said. Not really cooking it. Of course, you can't help but cook it a little bit. Okay, the lamb is done, and now I'm just going to put it back onto... Hi, birthday girl Nadine. Thank you for calling. I'm just going to plate this off to the side and get started on the egg white omelet. Doesn't that look yummy? Okay, today was a video catastrophe. When I thought I was turning the video on for the second half of making this lovely omelet, I was actually turning it off. So I captured the unnecessary parts, the weight, which is the hardest part. So this is what the omelet looks like, finished. That is a dollop of tzatziki sauce from Trader Joe's. I finished the omelet with simple ease. It has, I can't even open it up. Closed it too good. But what I'm going to do now is just take a bite, and you saw the first half. You'll understand the second half. So I'm trying to get a nice combo bite with some lamb, some olive, some feta cheese. I am dipping it in the tzatziki sauce. The lamb is tender. It's full of flavor. I'm not what I'm having for breakfast. Hope you're enjoying yours. Sorry for the video mess up. I'm just a simple home cook. You guys have a great day.